So I'm back with another video. I got my cornrows done already. This video is again being sponsored by Princessa Beauty Supply here in Montreal, LaSalle. Oh right, I forgot I actually vlogged a little bit of me being there, so I'm actually gonna take you guys with me on the journey. So let's go to the store. What up y'all? So I am currently in Princessa. I'm looking for some products for this video. I'm not sure what this video is yet. We got my girl here. Y'all gonna hold her accountable. She gonna come out with her YouTube channel.
I shall. 2020 is the year for clear vision, no sure. You know what I'm saying?
My last video I did these ones. These are the ones, no, this one. They got regular bomb twists and they got wavy bomb twists. I'm feeling the wavy. Wavy bomb twist. It actually comes with instructions on how to crochet just in case you don't know how, but that's what you have me here for. So if you lazy to read, I got you. 6 times 20, which is 20 strands, is 120, right? Well, wait, no, that is not math. Wow, I'm so sorry. 6 times 20. Wait, hold on. It is currently 12:32 in the morning, okay, and I went to sleep at 7 o'clock in the morning this morning, or 8 o'clock in the morning, so my brain right now is pretty much fried. So I really, yes, at this point I don't know what 6 times 20 is. Oh yeah, it's 120. Okay, my math is okay. And this is the crochet pattern. Let me do a little 360. I don't have a spinny chair, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. Y'all ready? Oh snap. Oh snap. Y'all even know I ain't on no spinning chair, but I'm making it work. Hopefully it looks smooth. That's the braiding pattern, so that we could put this up in a ponytail. I use this to, my mom sprayed it in my hair to corner my hair, and she was actually saying she's gonna buy herself one. I got this at Princessa as well, so you can get this at Princessa. She was spraying it and she's like, I'm going to buy one for her because she has clients. By the way, go follow my mom on Instagram to see her bomb braiding and twisting skills. Go follow my mom on Instagram, guys. If you're not supporting my mama, then what are you doing? And then of course, make sure you go in with an oil of your choice. I'm using the jojoba oil from Princessa as well. I started YouTube with this. This is my first ever crochet hook. I've been talking y'all ear off today. Shoot, let me shut up. Ariel, shut up and do your hair. Ugh, I'm always forgetting something. Where's my scissors? I'm sick of myself with this. Sick of it. Scissors. And by the way, guys, make sure you always do a finger width apart. 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna go to sleep. Oh, and by the way, it only took 6 packs and I still have all this here remaining. So it took 5.5 packs. And yeah, we'll see tomorrow morning. What up, y'all? So it is the next morning. I forgot to show you guys how to tie your head when going to bed. I got this at Princessa as well. And it's just a satin triangle scarf. So I'm gonna take it down so you guys can see how it looks. So I just put my hair back in like a sloppy bun, if you could even call it a bun. And this is how it looks. It's like, oh, let me come out a bit. Y'all can't even see it, it's so big. It's a big triangle and you just put it over and tie it underneath the bun. But let's go ahead and take these down. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful to you and that you liked it. If you did, sorry, my nose is itching. Ooh. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and that you comment down below. Let me know if you guys like the style and if you'd like to try it. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the not the description, in the comment section below, and I'll answer every single one of you guys as I always do. I know one question that I get a lot with any kind of crochet style I do is if the hair is heavy. This hair, in comparison to, for me it's not heavy, but in comparison to the faux locks that I did in my previous video, these are heavier. So they're not heavy, like they don't weigh down my head, but I can definitely feel that they are more heavy than those, just as a comparison. I'm not tender-headed at all. Like I feel like my scalp almost doesn't feel anything, so I'm kind of like not the best person to ask that, but because I don't know what it is to have super sensitive scalp. But yeah, in my opinion, this is not heavy at all, but it is heavier than the faux locks. So yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Make sure to go and check out Princessa Beauty Supply. They have an Instagram page, so you can go look at their Instagram page. They have a website, and best of all, they have an actual store, so you can actually go and visit them in LaSalle. I'll leave their links in the description box below, so don't worry about it. Yeah, make sure you like this video, you comment down below, you share it with all of your friends, and of course, you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Okay, I'm back. I decided to show you guys how I take this down because obviously I have to take this down because I have another style to do like ASAP. So I already did more than half of my head, all of the back. Well, no, I've done like half of my head, and that took me like 8 minutes. We all know a black girl's nightmare is not necessarily sitting down 6 hours to do her hair. It's sitting down for 20 taking it out. So thank God this goes in quick and it comes out even quicker. Y'all, I can't get this out my head. This is literally not coming out of my head. Okay, so you're just gonna find the knot and you're gonna pull the knot. Basically, I just play with it until it loosens like that, and then you just pull it out, slide it on out. Like that, and the twist is still perfectly fine and is ready for reuse. So I'm gonna save these. If any of you guys want it and are willing to pay for shipping, I'll just ship it to you. Because I literally have not left the house with it. They're still brand new. You see how quick this is coming out? This is real time. Y'all can hear me speaking. And I'm not dubbing over. That's my lips moving. It's 1:37 right now. .45. So how many minutes was that? What time was it when I showed you? I don't know how long that took. I can't remember the time I showed you guys on the screen when I started. So yeah, that's how quick it comes down. My corners are still intact, so that means I can do another crochet style for you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.